So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the first question of educational round triple one. So we'll start with understanding the question first, then we'll head on to the approach and then solution. So the question states that suppose you have n positive integers in an array, okay, then this array will be called beautiful if and only if one of the three conditions is satisfied. First condition is either the element should be equal to 1, or that element minus 1 should be present in the array, or element minus 2 should be present in the array. Okay, so I will explain you for this question on board. Okay, so suppose this array is like 1 2 and 4 and 3. So from whatever you understood, ask yourself, is this array beautiful or not? So, and give the answer with yourself, and let's see. So this first element, is this equal to 1? Yes, this is equal to 1. So yes. Then this element, is this equal to 1? No, this is not equal to 1. So subtract 1 from it. 2 minus 1. Now the result is 1. Is that result present in the array? Yes, that result is present in the array. So this is okay. Now take this element, 4. Subtract 4 minus 1. Okay. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Is that present in the array? Yes, that is present in the array. This element is also fine. And for the last element, subtract 1 from it, then that will give you result 2. Is that result present in the array? Yes, it is present. So this array is a beautiful array. Now let's see if this element was 5. Okay, if this element was 5, rest of the elements won't, the answer for the rest of the element won't be affected. Now for 5, you see, is 5 equal to 1? No, not at all, and it doesn't even make any sense. Then subtract 1 from 5, then 5 minus 1 is 4. Is that a result present in the array? So 4 is not present in the array. Now the last one is subtract 2 from it. So 5 minus 2, 3 is present in the array. So again this array is also beautiful. So what you need to find is, if you are given sum of the elements of a beautiful array. So what is the sum of this array? 5 plus 3, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11. So 11 is the sum. Then for 11 sum, what is the minimum size of the array that you have to find? Okay, let me see. Yeah, so for that given sum of the elements in that beautiful array, you have to result out the minimum possible size of the beautiful array. Now let's see how. Now let us suppose if I have been asked to find the size of smallest beautiful array whose sum is 8. What I'll do, first I'll start with 1. Okay, now my target sum is 8, current right now sum is 1. So if I add 2 to this existing largest element, see, existing largest element plays the most important role here. Existing largest element is 1. So if I add 2 to the existing largest element, the sum will be 3. So is that less than target? Yeah, then you can add 2 to it. So existing largest element becomes now 3. Now if I add 2 to the existing largest element, then the largest element will be 5. So what's the sum? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. But it exceeds the required target. So what I'll do, instead of 2, I can add 1, because my possibilities of beautiful array are only 3. Either the element should be 1, or element minus 1 should be present in the entire array. Element minus 2 should be present in the entire array at least once. So we are creating the array in the same way. If plus 2 and the total sum is less than that, then you can easily add 2, else go for the possibility of 1. So now see, largest element greater required the current largest element is equal to 3. If I add 1 to it, so that will give me 4. See the sum, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 is 8. So that is equal to 8. So then that is equal to the target which is required. So 1, 3 and 4 is the smallest beautiful array, but sum will be equal to 8 and the size is equal to 3. So answer is equal to 3. So that's what you have to do in this question. What I'll do, I will initialize a start as 1. Okay, start variable as 1. So then until the sum is less than the required sum, we'll push back the start variable in it, and every time we add this variable start, we will add that into the sum variable, so that sum gets updated every time we add a new element into the array. Now check for the condition which I told you. If sum, right, if required target minus the present sum is greater than or equal to 2, then you can add 2 to the existing largest element. Also you have to go with the option of 1. This itself will solve your all queries. So that's it, guys. If you consider, if you think that I might have helped you in solving this question or clearing any of your doubt, then you can consider liking and subscribe.